What to choose? Solid, brazed or full-face CBN inserts? I'm Daria from Venza, and here's all about metalworking. We all know that mainly there are three types of inserts: solid, full-face and brazed ones. The main difference between them is of course the field of application. Solid inserts are manufactured from a single piece of material. They are particularly suitable for roughing and heavy-duty operations, although there are some particular cases when solid inserts are used for finishing. DM me to find the perfect tool for your production and follow for more.